When it comes to gospel guitar, your right hand, your strumming hand is king. The way you strum, the way you chuck, or that rhythmic percussive playing defines the entire vibe of the song. Now, most guitarists spend 100% of their time practicing chords, practicing scales, practicing licks. And while those are effective tools, what is missing from the majority of gospel guitar players playing is the rhythmic bedrock. You see, the fretboard tells you where you are, but your right hand tells the story. Today, you are going to learn how to lock in your right hand and learn how to chuck or strum rhythmically. Chucking is the most effective way to lay the rhythmic bedrock, and it is the foundation for every gospel song you will play. In order to make all those chords and those scales feel good, you gotta know how to lay it down in the right hand. We're gonna break it down in 3 easy steps. Step 1 in learning how to chuck is muting the strings with your left hand. So you're literally just going to place them lightly on the strings, and you're gonna take your right hand with a pick, and I'm using a 0.73 millimeter pick. Whatever you choose is comfortable for you. And the strumming pattern we are going to use is down, down, up, down, down, up. Once again, down, down, up, down, down, up. This is the foundation of the chuck. That's just step 1. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? And as you're going to see in a moment, this same strumming is used in quartet. It's really, really the foundation for all things gospel. Now, you can play all the right chords, you can play all the right notes, but if it doesn't feel good, it really doesn't matter, right? So you need to understand how to make things feel good. So step 1, once again, we're going to mute and just go down, down, up, down, down, up. Now, here's a little secret, is that second downstroke needs to be more powerful than all the others. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Think of yourself as a drummer. You are literally playing the drums on the guitar. Down, 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 down. No matter what happens on your left hand, say you mess up a chord, say you mess up a lick, doesn't matter. As long as your right hand continues a rhythmic pattern, as long as your right hand continues chucking, you are going to be able to play gospel music. And that rhythmic foundation, that rhythmic bedrock is everything. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to check out my free gospel course I'll link below. Step 2, let's start incorporating chords, okay? So we're just gonna play 2 chords. We're gonna move it up and down, but we're just gonna play 2 chords just to make everything simple, okay? So we're gonna play an A7, a D7, or a D9, and we're gonna move that up 3 frets, which is a B altered, but it's the same shape, to an E9 and back to our first chord, okay? So let's play that all nice and slow. Strumming that, A7, chucking, D9. So what you're gonna do then is make sure you feel comfortable at a slow pace. You're gonna turn on a metronome, and you're going to just play nice and slow, okay? So we can practice along together. And at the end of this, step 3 is just going to be tying it all together. So step 2, we're still getting that right hand down, 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 down. Now we're going to tie it all together now that we're comfortable with that feeling. And we're just going to play along to a little backing track. And I'm going to play, and then you are going to play. Okay, so let's take our right hand. Okay, we should just lock that in. All right, and then I'm going to play the progression once through, and then you're going to play the progression once through. Your turn. A, D7. Okay. Let's keep that right hand going. D9. Now that you understand how to chuck on the guitar, you're going to be sure to want to check out this video on all the chords, scales, and licks you need to play gospel guitar.